Praises to the Most High for waking us up this morning, for giving us the strength to go forward, to see another day, to become a better us. Alright? Or just to keep our heads above water and our bodies above the ground. Yes. Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. This artist's name is Blivion, and this track name is Life. In all things give thanks. God a guide. Like the artist said, God a guide. Life is the greatest. Up and at it again. Up, up, up. By the sweat of my brow I shall eat my bread, yes. A hard day's work and a decent wage. No time for illegal activities and prison bars, don't it? Shout out to all my people going out to work this morning. Shout out to all my people coming in from work. Shout out to all my extra special shout out to all the people who work 2 jobs just to make ends meet. Yes. Shout out to all my entrepreneurs, my truck drivers on the road, my retirees, my stay-at-home mom and dad. Shout out to every single good-hearted, clean-hearted person out there who wishes good for others and for themselves, and are getting up and going out there and putting the work in to make sure that they achieve better. Manners and respect, everybody. Big up on yourself. Is SouFLoTV. Tune out all the naysayers. Believe in yourself. The Almighty has created you with everything you need inside of you to win, win, win. Yeah, man, Blivion have us on a roll this morning, you know what I'm saying? Some positive meditation to step out into the world today, to keep your spirit lifted high. Life, life, life. Life is the greatest, yes? From the very top again, Blivion. Alright, people, I want you to click the link in the description and go and check out this artist on YouTube. Again, his name is Oblivion, and the name of that track was Life. Yeah, God is the true guide. Remember that at all times. Life, sweetie. All when it rough, it's sweet, man. Life is the greatest. Blessings, everybody. I'm out. Gotta guide. Every step me taking on me crap. Gotta guide. Inhale, exhale. Every breath me take. Gotta guide.